Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and replace trash bin from iRobot Roomba i4. And to do this, you need to find the trash bin, which is located right here on the other side of the bumper of our iRobot. Now you need to take a look on the left side right here when your robot is upside down and simply click on this hatch right here. This should release the trash bin, and now you can remove it. Inside there's a dust filter and you can also replace it, and there's also the water filter, the water tank, and you can also refill it if you want. Now when it's properly removed, we can attach it back in, and to do that, simply lift your robot again, align it with the left side first, align it with the right side first, sorry, that's my mistake. Like that, and then simply push on it until you hear the click. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.